Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Austin with Oregon Trail Target. We're out here on a windy day. I'm just gonna shoot two different lot numbers of Winchester 34 grain Supreme ammo, and we're at 50 yards. Just see what kind of groups we can get in the wind. We have a variable wind today that's been laying up and laying down, and it's consistently left to right for the most part, but miles per hour has been anywhere from nothing to 5 or more, so we'll see what happens. We're shooting the Bergara BMR-X 22 mag with a dead air suppressor, and we're going to shoot the diamond on the top right and the diamond on the bottom right. I'll probably pick a diamond point so I can shoot 2 3-shot groups of each lot of ammo. So here we go. First misfire I've ever had with this Winchester Supreme. Not a bad little group in the wind. I'm aiming for that left, for the top right diamond on that left diamond point. So center of the group is a little bit high, but that's where I want it because it's sighted in for 100 yards. So let's shoot one more 3-shot group and then we'll switch lot numbers. Three in one hole there. I was aiming dead center on that one. All right, we'll pause and go to the bottom right triangle. Shoot this different lot number. All right, we zoomed in the spotting scope to 35 power here. We're gonna shoot bottom right. I'm gonna aim dead center now. not too bad. I'll walk you up there and we'll take a look. Here's the setup on this janky rock. Not exactly bench rest. There's the target. Beautiful out here on the Oregon Trail. I'm happy with this accuracy though, just shooting quick off that rock. And there's like this little canyon here, and the wind just swirls and does all kinds of crazy stuff in here. So I've already proven this gun to shoot under half at 50 with this ammo consistently. So we didn't quite get there today, but they look bigger in the spotting scope anyway. This is the first lot. So I was aiming right here. That's barely over half an inch. These squares are an inch. And then we got 3 in one hole there. And I was aiming for there. So obviously consistent. Then the different lot number, I was aiming right there and aiming right there. I kind of went a little quick on my third shot there, but either way, those are 5/8 of an inch center to center, 0.7 at the most. I've got over 200 rounds through the rifle right now, and it hasn't been cleaned, so she's doing pretty good. I'm more than happy with it. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more content with the Bergara BMR-X in 22 mag, and